Dear students, let us discuss how to find out position of 2 points relative to two sides of a plane. Suppose the equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 and 2 points are x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Now these 2 points are on the same side of the plane if the expression ax1 plus by1 plus cz plus d and ax2 plus by2 plus cz2 plus d have the same sign. And if these two expressions ax1 plus by1 plus cz plus d and ax2 plus by2 plus cz plus d have the opposite signs, then the points are on the opposite sides of the plane. Let us take two examples. Prove that the points 1, 2, 3 and 0, 5, 1 are on the same side of the plane y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let's take the point 1, 2, 3. So if you put 1, 2, 3 in y plus z minus 4, in place of y we put 2 and in place of z we put 3. So this is 2 plus 3 minus 4, which is 1 and which is positive. And similarly, if we take the point 0, 5, 1 and put it in y plus z minus 4, we have 5 plus 1 minus 4, which is 2, which is again positive. So both the expressions are positive. That means points lie on the same side of the given plane. Let's take one more example of this type. Find the position of 2 points 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2 with respect to the plane x plus y minus 3z minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if we take the point 1, 2, 3 and put it in x plus y minus 3z minus 6. So we have 1 plus 2 minus 9 minus 6, which comes out to be minus 12 and which is negative. Similarly, if we take the point minus 1, 0, 2 and put it in the plane on the left hand side of this equation, so we have minus 1 plus 0 minus 6 minus 6, which is minus 13, which is also negative. So both the expressions are negative, so therefore points lie on the same side of the given plane. Now this formula, distance of a point from a plane. Suppose the point is x1, y, z1 and the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Then the perpendicular distance of this point x1, y, z1 from the plane is given by modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. This I think you have already studied in class 12. Okay. Find the shortest distance from the point 2, 3, 5 on the plane 3x plus 4y plus 12z minus 9 is equal to 0. Now shortest distance in this case is the perpendicular distance. So we apply this formula and therefore P is equal to modulus of 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 12 into 5 minus 9 upon under root of 9 plus 16 plus 144. Which comes out to be 69 upon 13. Now if you want to find out distance between two parallel planes, say one plane is 2x minus y plus 3z minus 4 is equal to 0 and second plane is 6x minus 3y plus 9z plus 13 is equal to 0. We want to find out distance between these two parallel planes. You can see that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 is equal to 1 upon 3. So therefore these two planes are parallel. Now the simple method to find out distance between these two parallel planes is take one point on any of these planes. Any point. So simplest is that like you take y0 and z0. And if you take y0, z0 here, x is equal to 2. So therefore 2, 0, 0 is a point on the first plane. It's not necessary that you take y and z0. You can take any x, z0, any you can take as 0. Okay. And now you find out distance of this point 2, 0, 0 from this plane by using the formula discussed earlier. So therefore distance between these two planes is 6 into 2 minus 3 into 0 plus 9 into 0 plus 13 upon under root of 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 9 square, which comes out to be 25 upon under root of 126, which is 25 upon 3 root 14. Now suppose we want to find out planes bisecting the angle between two planes. Suppose we have two planes. One plane is a1x to b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. And suppose that second plane is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Then, as you have studied in class 11 for straight lines, so similar formula is applicable here also. Then the planes bisecting the angle between these two planes are given by a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 upon under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square is equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 upon under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now take d1 and d2 as positive, right? If any one of them is negative, then just multiply through the equation by minus sign so that constant terms becomes positive. Now position of the origin related to acute or obtuse angle between two planes. Now you just remember this result. Origin lies in the acute or obtuse angle between the planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0 according as a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2 is negative or positive provided d1 and d2 have the same sign. Means you find out, first of all you make d1 and d2 as positive and then find out a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2. If this expression is negative, then origin lies in the acute angle, and if this expression is positive, then origin lies in the obtuse angle. The second result you must remember here is that plane obtained by taking negative sign in the previous section is here. If we take negative sign here, that plane obtained by negative sign in the previous section will not contain the origin. Means if we want to find out the bisector of the plane which contains the origin, then we have to take the positive sign. So I have summarized this in this table. If origin lies in the acute angle, and if you want to find out bisector of the acute angle, then we take positive sign here. Similarly, if the origin lies in obtuse angle and we have to find out bisector of the obtuse angle, then again we take positive sign. If origin lies in acute and we have to find out bisector of obtuse angle, we take negative. If origin lies in the obtuse angle and we have to find out bisector of the acute angle, then we take negative sign. Okay, let's take a few examples. Show that the origin lies in the acute angle between the planes x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 9 and 4x minus 3y plus 12z plus 13 is equal to 0. Let's do the first part. We have to show that origin lies in the acute angle between those two planes. Now this plane can be written as minus x minus 2y minus 2z plus 9 is equal to 0. And this plane is 4x minus 3y plus 12z plus 13 is equal to 0. We have made here this constant as positive. Now if we find out a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2, we have minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4, plus 6 minus 24, which is minus 22, and it is negative. So therefore origin lies in the acute angle. This is the first part. We have to show that the origin lies in the acute angle. Now we have to find out the planes bisecting the angles between them. So we apply the formula. Bisecting planes are given by this formula. Minus x minus 2y minus 2z plus 9 upon under root of 1 plus 4 is equal to plus minus 4x minus 3y plus 12z plus 13 upon under root of 16 plus 9 plus 144. So if we take positive sign, then we will get 25x plus 17y plus 62, then minus 78 is equal to 0. And if we take negative sign, we get x plus 35y minus 10z minus 156 is equal to 0. Now we have to point out that plane which bisects the acute angle. Now because origin lies in the acute angle and we have to find out the bisector of the acute angle, therefore we have to take positive sign in this formula. So by taking positive sign, we got 25x plus 17y plus 62z minus 78 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the plane bisecting the acute angle is obtained by taking positive sign in equation number 3, and therefore required plane is 25x plus 17y plus 62z minus 78 is equal to 0. Let's take one more example. Find the equations of the bisectors of the angles between these planes. So, okay, let's find out a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2. c1, d1, d2 already have the same sign here. So, we have a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 12, which is 16 positive. Therefore, origin lies in the obtuse angle. So therefore, if you want to find out bisector of the obtuse angle, we have to take plus sign. So bisector of the obtuse angle will be given by minus 2x plus y plus 2z plus 6 upon under root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to positive sign minus 3x minus 2y plus 6z plus 12 upon under root of 9 plus 4 plus 36. That is 5x minus 13y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. And if we want to find out bisector of the acute angle, now because origin lies in the obtuse angle and we want to find a bisector of the acute angle, therefore we will take here minus sign. So therefore bisector of the acute angle is given by minus 2x plus y plus 2z plus 6 upon under root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to minus of minus 3x minus 2y plus 6z plus 12 upon under root of 9 plus 4 plus 36. So if you simplify it, you will get it as 23x minus y minus 32z minus 78 is equal to 0. I think it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask later on. Okay.